1,000 rounds. Mastering rounding large numbers. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to make numbers a bit more manageable. We'll dive into the concept of rounding large numbers, specifically rounding to the nearest 1,000. If you're dealing with big numbers and you want to simplify them, rounding can be your best friend. Before we get into rounding to the nearest 1,000, let's quickly recap what rounding is. Rounding is a way of simplifying a number to a certain place value. It's like approximating to make a number easier to work with. When we round a number, we look at the digit next to the place value we're rounding to. If it's 5 or above, we round up. If it's 4 or below, we round down. Rounding is a very useful tool in math, finances, and everyday life when you want to make estimations or calculations more straightforward. Before we round to the nearest 1,000, we need to identify the thousands place in a number. For example, in the number 5,782, the 5 is in the thousands place. We use place values to understand where a digit sits within a number. This is essential for rounding because it tells us which digits to look at and consider when we're deciding to round up or down. Now, let's get to the heart of the topic, rounding to the nearest 1,000. To do this, we look at the digit in the hundreds place. Remember, if this digit is 5 or above, we round up. If it's 4 or below, we round down. Let's take an example. If we have the number 3,450 and we want to round it to the nearest 1,000, we see that the hundreds digit is 4, so we round down to 3,000. Another example, if we have 5,782, we look at the 7 in the hundreds place. Since 7 is greater than 5, we round up to 6,000. Practice is key when learning a new concept. Try to round these numbers to the nearest 1,000. 1,888, 2,345, 6,789, 8,600. Let's see. 1,888 rounds down to 1,000. 2,345 rounds down to 2,000. 6,789 rounds up to 7,000. 8,600 stays as 8,000. If you got these right, congratulations. If not, don't worry. Practice some more until you feel confident. And there you have it, folks. Now you know how to round large numbers to the nearest 1,000. This is a handy skill for making quick estimates and simplifying complex numbers. Keep practicing and you'll become a rounding expert in no time. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.